Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we are going to see the new pro features of CapCut, which is really good. And the version I'm using, I will show you the version. Here is the version 5.7.0 beta latest version, which is really good, which I like the most. And now Premiere Pro is nothing for me because uh, yeah, the CapCut Pro features enhance the quality of a video as well. And as you can see, so I will add my one video which is I want to see the new features of CapCut, which is really cool, amazing, best, and I have ever seen. Let's just do it. Can you see before we would remove here? So somehow when we remove here, so here would be the things. So you can remove it from here as well, auto removal. And when you want to add a mask and something else, so you will add here mask. Can you see add a mask? So you can add it. Now these three are the new features. You can visible your video with text. So I want to click here, just add a text. Okay, here. Can you see? I want to add like 2025. So it will visible like this. Okay. So I will just do key with keyframing. You can see you can do it with keyframing as well. Everything with okay keyframing. So it is really good new feature, and which is like we would make in Premiere Pro really big scene with this. No, first we would add text and we export it, and after that we would use the blending modes or remove the key like that. So it's really easy in CapCut now. Okay, the first feature, and the second one is brush one. So you can just do it like this, and as you can see, so it will select like Photoshop. Okay, let me add it. Sorry. So you can see now you want to remove it, just click here. Okay, now press Alt and do it like this, so it will deselect the subject. Okay, so now can you see? And just now it will deselect it, so it is really good. Now you want to select something and just click like this, so it will select it automatically. Now I want to invert it, so you can here, can you see you will invert your mask whether in subject or background. So it is really good, the new feature, and it is really easy to use. Okay, the second thing you want to use is pen tool. With pen tool you can make a mask like this. So just click and make a mask around your subject. So this is really amazing a feature of CapCut which they added. So this is a thing like you will edit your videos fast with this feature. I don't recommend now Premiere Pro because it needs really high graphics card, and this I would use 2025 in low graphics card as well. Sometime your system will be like destroyed, so don't use that because it's too heavy software. And now CapCut is also heavy because of adding a new features. Now let's see the video. So it is our video, we have mask here. Now you can add a feather like this which is looking like shadow. So you want to x like you want to add expansion or not, like means if you want, if you don't want, you can do it like this. If this white are showing, you make a mask, this white are showing, you can just down the expression so it will look good. Okay, so now if I have that problem, so I will do like this. Now it does not have a problem like that. Okay, so it is perfectly, can you see? So it will do it like this. Okay, the second thing, this feature is really good of CapCut, and now these three you can use in your videos. So